Hey, welcome back. Today is April 7th, Wednesday, and this is my third post today. And on this post, I'll be telling you about the overall crypto markets very quickly, which includes Bitcoin dominance and Bitcoin price action, and see how they could potentially affect the overall altcoin markets. Before diving into Storj token, STORJUSD, and see what is going on in here. I'll be telling about the bullish and bearish case scenarios for today, as well as the short-term price prediction on this market, according to what I'm seeing on the charts. Before I begin today, if you guys are enjoying this content, make sure to subscribe to this channel and like this video, as I'll be keeping updated on the latest crypto setups on my watch list, regardless if it's a good day or a bad day. If you want to support me and don't already have a Webull brokerage account, you guys can use my referral link down below. They're still giving away 2 free stocks as of today upon a successful sign up and a qualifying deposit of $100 US. And I will also receive a referral bonus if you guys sign up under me. Please also read my full disclaimer below. I am not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. I am purely sharing my own speculations and opinions on this market. I cannot tell you the future, and you should always do your own due diligence before trading or investing in this market, as it's extremely risky and volatile. If you have any questions or comments, please do only leave them in the comment section below, but I'll try my best to get to as many of them as possible. Now, let me just do a very quick recap on Bitcoin dominance and price action just right now, because I've already done a more detailed post on my earlier post today. Do take a look at that. It is important in seeing how they could affect the overall altcoin markets, but I'm going to run over it very quickly. Bitcoin dominance tells me what the money could be trading into. Would it be Bitcoin, altcoins, or neither? We have Bitcoin dominance up about 1.4% now, so has decreased a little bit since earlier. This breaks down to Bitcoin price action, down about 3%. Total altcoin market cap, down over 6%. This is the downside of Bitcoin dominance trending upwards. I would usually see total altcoin market cap being affected more by Bitcoin pullbacks. I usually emphasize Bitcoin dominance to trend downwards. That's generally speaking better for the altcoins on both the upside and downside. Because conversely speaking, if Bitcoin dominance was trending downwards, the downside of that, I would usually see total altcoin market cap not being affected by Bitcoin pullbacks as much. So for example, if Bitcoin dominance was trending downwards, Bitcoin pulls back by 1%, I could usually expect to see total altcoin market cap pulling back by less than 1%. Something to be keeping an eye out for is that on the weekly time frame, we are in a falling wedge pattern on Bitcoin dominance chart. If Bitcoin dominance can actually break this bottom trend line to continue lower, more ideal for the altcoins, as opposed to if Bitcoin dominance breaks out of this falling wedge pattern and goes upwards. That's not as ideal. Let's go to Bitcoin. Some bearish signals still are apparent on the weekly time frame and the monthly time frame, more notably. Okay, bearish divergence on the weekly time frame still playing out. Possible bearish divergence as well on the monthly time frame. Not something I'll lose track of, because if Bitcoin continues pulling back, it could still have a bearish effect on the altcoins, just as we are seeing today. That bearish effect will be greater if Bitcoin dominance is trending higher. Let's go over to Storj, see what has gone on since last time. I'm going to go from the monthly time frame down to the daily, which I consider to be macro time frames, and see if we have any overbought RSI readings or possible bearish divergence scenarios. Monthly time frame, we're back down to about almost 72 now. Okay, so in overbought territory, slight overbought territory. Weekly time frame, we have also retreated to about 73 here. And if I can't say anything about bearish divergence scenario just yet, because we haven't officially closed this red candle or nearing a close on the weekly time frame here. We still have quite a bit of time left on this weekly time frame. Three-day time frame. We're currently at about 73, slight overbought territory as well. If the price action was to make a higher high here, it does need to beat the last RSI reading of over 90 to negate bearish divergence, and bearish divergence can more often than not signal a pullback. Daily time frame here, we're currently at about 56, so not enough about territory. And if the price action wants to make a higher high here, it does need to beat the last RSI reading of about 80, over 87 here to negate bearish divergence. Okay. Bearish divergence actually playing out right now, and we are getting supported by the daily 21 MA, the blue line. Let's take a look and see what has happened since last time. Since last time, I did point out two possible scenarios here that was more apparent on a shorter time frame, on the 12-hour time frame, which is a possible ascending triangle pattern along with a double top pattern. It looks like that double top pattern is playing out right now. So let's take away the ascending triangle pattern scenario. Now the double top pattern measure target is about $1.35, slightly under. Let's take a look into some of the key supports and resistances relevant to this price action right now and see if we can get any hints on where this price action would get supported and possibly reverse, or would it continue downwards? Immediate resistance right now would be about the $2.65 fib level area, followed by about the $3.10 fib level area. Those are going to be the two next levels of key resistance. Key support, we're at one right now, the $2.30 fib level area. Next up, the daily 21 MA, which has supported the price action earlier. If that does not hold, the $2 fib level area. And then finally, one more here at about the $1.50 fib level area. Let's take a look into the bullish and bearish case scenarios here. Bullish case scenario, if price action can hold the support at the $2.30 fib level area and actually reverse back up to about the $2.65 fib level area and see if the price action can break back above that next key resistance here with the daily candle close and flip that resistance back into support. So let me repeat. Bullish case scenario, first of all, price action does not get a daily candle close below this $2.30 fib level area. Hold the support. Reverse back upwards and break through this $2.65 fib level area and see if it can actually get a daily candle close on top of it again and flip this resistance back into support. That'd be a signal that this could be turning around. This downtrend could be turning around. Bearish case scenario. Price action gets a daily candle close here on this below this $2.30 fib level area. The next level of key support will be the daily 21 MA and seeing if that holds. If that does not hold, the $2 fib level area and seeing if that holds. Now these are my bullish and bearish case scenarios for today. Let me know if you found it helpful. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Let me know your agreements, disagreements, feedback. I'd love to hear them. Hope you manage your risk carefully, and if you would like to see any more of my most recently uploaded videos on YouTube, you guys can check out my links up here on YouTube. See you next time.